feathers, I found the beat. I told the swallows I'm one of you. Look at my wings, see how I flew. We tweeted anthems of the morning sun until the beast said the birds were done. Then I saw the lions moving in the grass, and I knew my plumage wouldn't let me pass. And quick, tuck the wings, show the teeth. There's a different soul underneath. Oh, I'm a beast when the beasts are winning. I'm a bird when the world is spinning. In the gray, in the middle of the air, looking for a sight that isn't there. Who are you? I'm whatever keeps me from the view. Drop to the dirt, yeah, I've got fur. I'm a predator, baby, hear me purr. I told the wolves I'm a mouse with a bite. I belong to the earth, I belong to the night. We hunted the shadows, we claimed the ground until the birds made a comeback sound. Now the wolves are looking at my leather wings, asking why I'm humming what the robin sings. The birds say, you've got teeth. The beasts say, you've got wings. The war is over, the truce is signed, and I'm the only one they left behind. Oh, I'm a beast when the beasts are winning. I'm a bird when the world is spinning. In the gray, in the middle of the air, for a sight that isn't there. Just a lonely shadow passing by.